Welcome to my channel. I am certified in Production Inventory Control Manager by the American Society. The designation is CPIM. I am also certified by the Purchasing Management Association, PMA, as CPM. I want to talk about just everything, the basic common sense for a corporation to have 4 major departments: finance, engineering, marketing, and manufacturing operation. All tie up, depend what kind of product we have. If the product has the basic core and have many different features or options, then we should have a basic common part planning to drive all the requirements. Then we have a special or all the option planning bill to calculate, explore the requirement of components. All common sense. During the process, we need to set up a different inspection stage. We do not want to wait until the last minute and then final inspection. So each stage, that important stage of assembly product or production, we should have a simple inspection, and usually a sample to sit in front of the inspection station. That will cover everything that we don't worry about. Depend the company, except those companies have only one product or different, but they have several different product lines. The kitting process should be at the last minute. Do not kit 2 or 3 months ahead of time. Only 2 or 3 days before we go into production. There will be enough time to check and make sure all the components there and the quantity is correct. So if you follow that, do never be wrong. I will talk to you next time. Have a nice day. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.